Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be talking about how you can start earning online with your skills. First off, you must know that for you to engage remotely, you must have what it takes to offer to clients. Remotely, things like remote skills, that's what I mean. Gaining online skills is very, very vital. It's very crucial for anybody wanting to earn remotely. You must first learn remote skills and how you can go about it. Now, engaging remotely is only possible if you have that digital skills, that's remote skills. Digital skills, remote skills are the same thing, all right? So, having remote skills is very, very important because it will enable you to connect with people that need your service. Now, having said that, once you have the skills that I mean are things that you can operate remotely, like online. Your online presence can be your smartphone, laptop, whatever thing. So long as your online presence is there, you are engaging remotely and you have digital skills that will enable you engage remotely. You understand? Skills like, let me say, um, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, graphic design, copywriting, ghostwriting, virtual assistant, content writing. All these options I just listed. Those are digital skills. There are a lot of digital skills out there. But I just these ones are the ones I just you know it's just a tip and sample for you to understand what I mean. So having remote skills is very important. Now, once you have remote skills and you're looking for remote work, you are definitely a freelancer. Freelancers are people that has a remote skills, wanting to engage remotely, to looking for well-paying work online. Now, as a freelancer, it's important to engage or look for work. Of course, many of us learn remote skill because we want to link up with people that need our service online. So, having said that, there are a lot of ways you can implement as a freelancer. There are a lot of sites, there are a lot of things you can do to step up with your remote skills. Sites that will pay you, sites that will assist you link up to potential client that needs your service. There are a lot of sites, but to mention few, we have Fiverr, we have freelancer.com and the rest. So those are the sites. In all of the options I mentioned, if you're a freelancer and you wanted to engage remotely, like you're looking for remote work, I know that you're looking for remote work, then my best option to do is linking up to Upwork. Upwork, I know that people are really, really struggling on how they can, get work online. But some of us don't even do it right. And that is the funny part. There are things, there are tips, there are ways you can, you know, step up. If you are in Upwork, if you are part of Upwork, there are ways you can step up. There are a lot of freelancers out there that are in Upwork. Like population is too much there, but that doesn't make your chances of engaging remotely decrease. No, all you need is a proper guidance, directions, and how you can go about it. Because I know that a lot of people are struggling to get remote work on Upwork. But if you have these tips, there are strategies, there are secrets you can have, as in you can implement when you are in Upwork. There are ways you can, use strategizing, and there are things you're not doing right, and you might not know that you're not doing it right. So I suggest, if you are in Upwork or you don't even know about Upwork, then leave a comment, and I will give you access and give you the tips, the directions that have been helping me, assisting me. And I know so many others that I was able to, assist with this method. So if you're out there, maybe you're a freelancer or you're a newbie with nothing doing and you are trying to, dive into remote work, but you don't have remote skill, then still reach out to me. I will help you, assist you in your journey. There are a lot of ways you can implement remotely and start getting paid in dollars. because that is the only thing that will sustain you now. Now, if you look around, you can tell that people are, are multiplying in social media handles, in all social media handles. A lot of people are exposing themselves, trying to come out, the visibility of being part of social medias. So if you notice, the world are really evolving, and it's on technology. So if you're out there with nothing doing and you're still looking at people cashing out, then this is your chance to start making that move. All right. So leave a comment at the comment section, and I will definitely reach out to you, give you the tips, the steps, and what to do and what not to do. So you can also start getting clients, potential clients that will sponsor or start paying your bills if possible. All right. So see you in my next channel.